In my opinion, revolution in Iran is one of the very important, historically significant development in the context of what we know as West Asia, for a number of reasons. One, that this was the revolution which was brought in the name of Islam against a monarchy which was dictatorial in character and was very close to West. In fact, had surrendered some of the vital interests of Iran to Western interests, particularly American interest, and had agreed to play a role of policeman in the context of Gulf, oil-rich region of Gulf for the US. So internally also it was quite oppressive regime, and the resources that Iran was able to generate on account of oil wealth were being wasted on buying arms and on priorities which were not beneficial to the people of Iran. So in this context, it was a very important development for reasons like, one, that it liberated Iran from Western influences and brought a mass-based revolution which was by and large peaceful without much of violence, and it had global impact. It had global impact in the sense that it generated a new hope among Muslims that they could bring in change in the name of Islam also, where Islam played an important role as a liberator, as an ideology of liberation. One. Second, that it also was, till then, most of the Muslim countries, particularly in that region, had been under various degrees of Western influence, American influence. This was first defiance at that. So it taught, it gave a certain sense of liberation to people around. Third, it also had an impact in terms of making Islam as a discourse for politics, political liberation in many countries. So this played an important role. In this, Khomeini was significant because he was the leader of the revolution. He had almost from 1963. He had been exiled, but prior to that, from 50s only, he was the main revolving figure for the revolutionary movement in Iran. He provided the leadership, and that's why he was abdicated in 1963. From 63 to 78 and 79, the revolution occurred. He played a vital role around whom that whole movement was, and ultimately he gave. He was the person who led the revolution, and therefore he is important. Revolution of Iran is important, and his role as the leader of the movement was important because he was able to inspire the millions of people in Iran to rise against revolt, against an oppressive regime. That is important. Now, coming to third part of your question, that how far has it affected, generated, or influenced the rise of Muslim consciousness and Muslim movements across? It has quite a bit. Unfortunately, there have been some negative impact also because some bit of it was used because of the Iran-Iraq war in 80s. Some of it was also because some vested interests who didn't want Islamic consciousness to grow. It was used to divide Muslims internally in the name of Shia-Sunni consciousness because there were vested interests in doing that. But in spite of that, it has given hope to some of the Muslim movements. It gave some kind of, it provided an example to some of the existing Muslim movements how to operate in a very oppressive atmosphere, which included Ikhwan al-Muslimin, and it also gave a certain inspiration. And there were attempts at dividing him, but I think this has been one example where some of the Muslim movements in many of the Muslim countries have learned to relate to people and develop base with people. whether it was in Lebanon, you have Hezbollah, you have many other Muslim countries, and now in many Muslim countries, even though some of the movements in these countries are older, Ikhwan Muslimin is much older Muslim movement, but then naturally because of it showed one thing, that whatever the oppressive regime might be, it is always possible to get liberation from. And what happened in recent years in many of the Arab states, whether it's Tunisia or Egypt or Yemen, or what is being pushed in some other Muslim states like Bahrain, or what happened in Libya, or what is being done, has an example. There will be people who will be drawing parallels and examples from Iranian experience. Particularly, what is important is post-revolution. After you have achieved the revolution, how do you build up societies in which Islam plays a significant role? Iran would provide an example in that. May not be necessarily as a true copy, but there will be insights that some of these countries can draw from Iranian experience.
So that was about Arab world. What about Kashmir? In the context of Kashmir, do you see that, was there any impact of Islamic revolution on the movement of Kashmir?
It was. I think many youth, particularly it had impact on many youth at that time. And it did generate a certain hope. That was what people were, Khomeini and some other leaders of revolution became quite popular. So it has had impact. But then gradually the situation in Kashmir, this impact was there. But as I said, there are a lot of forces operating simultaneously. There was a certain degree of dilution also that happened at a later stage. And that inspiration, yes, Iranian revolution as a historical development will always be an example for many Muslim countries and many globally also. Now, even beyond Muslim states, where there are movements against oppressive dictatorial regimes. This example is how masses can be mobilized together to bring down that dictatorial regime of any sort. So it has an example for even non-Muslim states. In Kashmir, we are much more in a complex situation, because it's not we are against a regime, or we have much more difficult situation to live in. In that, it would give a hope, but the example that could be followed in Iran may not be sufficient in Kashmir, because we live in a much more in a situation which where we as Kashmiris and as Muslims are a small minority against within a state which is too huge and too big. Yes, that's why I think it's going to be difficult for us to follow an example which was valid and a good work. Because you see, when Iranian people rose against the Shah's regime, it was their own army. The army could identify with people, local people. They could not go beyond a point. They would not be. They could be used up to a point, not beyond a point. But here our examples are different. We have many other. We have a lot of variations so far as Kashmir is concerned. But of course, it has had an impact. It generated a certain Muslim consciousness which wasn't that strong till then, and it has influenced individuals. And there are even people who are within. There are some people within intelligentsia, and some of the intellectuals also who pursued this, the kind of inspiration that Iranian revolution gave.
Thank you so much.
Okay.